Good morning. Today we decided to have a little walk up to St Cuthbert's cave. We were going to some woods, but unfortunately they were private, so we couldn't go there. So we've gone past St Cuthbert's cave today. We didn't actually stop for a change. We carried on walking on the bridleway just past it, and we were a little bit surprised. We've come around the corner and we've just come across this. I'll do a little bit of videos to show you a bit more of it, but they're quite big crags. I think it's one of the things, you come around the corner and you go, wow, that's good. Anyway, catch up with you in a bit. Not a bad little place, this is it? Well, talk about the real hidden Northumberland. It's a little treasure trove, this. I wasn't expecting to find this today. There's caves all over, there's little caves out there, and there's just so much rock formations around here. I'm really surprised. It's canny. Definitely worth a little trip to, if I tell you where it is. Bye for now.